Running
Great
a food
food,
truck is
but
hard
where is
when hungry
everyone?
customers can't find you. Meet Food Truck Direct, the ultimate direct line to all your customers. Customers simply scan your custom QR code from anywhere to connect. Instantly send updates, daily specials, and coupons right to their lock screens. Geofencing automatically alerts nearby customers when they are close to your truck. Perfect for busy festivals. Build your list fast and bring customers back.
This is incredible.
Start your
Cheers to the
14-day
best
free
burgers
trial
in
now.
town.
Reply Food Truck Direct
I
to
love
learn
it.
more.